Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beauty is Joy Forever. In this video, today I will tell you about smoky eye makeup. Smoky eye makeup are very important and very beautifully enhance your beauty of your personality. If you like my videos, then subscribe my channel and share my video to your friends, family members and your loved ones. Today the topic of this video is smoky eyes. Smoky eyes makeup are a classic and timeless makeup techniques that has been popular for decades. The term smoky eyes refer to a specific eye makeup look characterized by a dark, sultry and smoldering effect around the eyes. It is a versatile style that can be adapted to suit various occasions from glamorous evening events to everyday wear. The defining features of smoky eyes is the use of dark eyeshadows shades to create depth and intensity around the eyes. Typically, a combination of black, gray, brown, or deep gel tones is employed to achieve the desired effect. The application starts with a neutral base color that matches the skin tone, which helps to create a seamless transitions between the shadows and the rest of the face. The dark eyeshadow is then applied to the eyelids, gradually building up the intensity from the lash line towards the crease. The color is blended meticulously to ensure a smooth gradient with the darkest shade concentrated along the lash line and outer corner of the eyes. To enhance the smoky effect, eyeliner is an essential component of this look. Black to dark colored eyeliner is applied along the upper and lower lash lines, either in a sharp defined line or some merged for a softer appearance. In conclusion, smoky eyes are the versatile and competitively makeup style that adds drama and allure to the eyes. With the skillful use of the dark eyeshadows that can enhance the beauty of eye makeup. This is all about smoky eyes makeup ideas. If you like any idea that you can pick and apply on you. Thank you.